Hello, my name is Janis Zogler. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a simple project by using the Adobe Premiere Pro. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you also how to use the green screen. So let's get started by going to New Project. I'm going to name my project as Green Screen Tiger. I'm just going to leave the default location, which is on my Documents area, and click OK. Once my project is ready, what I will need to do, I'll have here three files. I've got a picture, a sound, and a video. I'm just going to highlight them all and click and drag them to the project panel. Let's push this away. Now, the first thing I need to do is bring the tiger over to my timeline. So by clicking and dragging, I just brought my tiger to the timeline. At the same time as I'll click and drag the picture as well. So I'm just going to select the sound. So I'm select the picture and click on the delete key on my keyboard. Click on the sound, press the delete key on the keyboard. So for the meantime, we need only the video. So if I press the video, okay, we have the green screen video here. What we need to do, first of all, is remove the green screen, basically. So to do this, we need to go to the effects. Let's select the video first. We need to click on the effects, and then select here. We have the effects panel is here. So if you cannot see the effects panel, just click on the three lines. If you can still not see the effects panel, you need to go to Window and select Effects. Okay. The next thing we need to do is type the word key and then click and drag an Ultra key over to our video. That's the first stage. The next stage is we need to go to the Effect Control and we need to scroll up or down until we find the key color picker. We're going to click once, the mouse cursor is transformed into this little icon, and then we're going to click anywhere on the green area. Now, as you can see, anything that is green is being removed. The next thing we need to do is click and drag a picture just below the video. By my case, as you can see, I cannot bring it below, but if I drop it to the top and just increase the size by clicking and dragging. Now, if you cannot see the mouse cursor, which is similar to mine, this is because you have not selected the selection tool here. So with the selection tool selected, click and drag to increase the background picture. So now we've done this, we need to click and drag the picture below our video. If you cannot do this, click on the video and click and drag the video above the picture. As you can see here, the tiger is there, the picture is there. So the next thing we need to do, with the picture selected, so click once on the picture, make sure the only thing you have selected is the picture. We are going to the Effects Control panel, click on the motion, and then by clicking and dragging, we are going to increase the size of our picture to take the full screen. Okay, now we've done this, we need to click on the video where the tiger is, and then we're going to click again on the motion option here on the Effects Control panel, and we're going to click and drag the tiger a bit further down. Let's hide our pose there to make it a bit more realistic. Now we've done this, you can actually downscale or upscale the tiger as you wish. So let's leave it like that. And now if I press play, the tiger looks like it's in the jungle. Okay, the final thing we need to do, let's stop the video, is add some sound. So I'm going to click and drag the sound over to the timeline. And as you can see, the sound only appears here. So we need to apply more instances of the sound by clicking and dragging. And now if I press play, okay, I've got the video, I've got a picture behind it, I've got the sound. The final thing we need to do is go to File and select Save our project. Then we're going to go back to File again, and this time we're going to select Export. Then we're going to select Media. The format, let's keep it as AVI uncompressed. Let me show you, if you use, let's say for instance, an MPEG, how it's going to look like. If I use an MPEG, as you can see, the picture quality is dropping quite a lot. If I use a Windows Media, the quality does not drop as much, but still dropped. If I use AVI uncompressed, the quality look, in fact, Windows Media look quite good. Yeah, Windows Media look quite good this time. Okay, so we can have the preset to 1080, or we can drop it. Let's stick to AVI uncompressed. Let's click Export, and your project will be exported in the same location as you have saved the project. So this is the location. Okay, now the video is ready. You can double click to open it, but Windows Media Player will not open it. Let's use VLC. VLC is free to download, and you have a lot of codecs there. You guarantee that whatever video you have or sound you have, the codec will be within the VLC. Let's go to Media and open. Let's go to Documents, Adobe Premiere Pro, and that's the picture. Let's try the Windows version. Let's close that. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to save this, rename this as Windows. And I'm just going to follow the same process now. Go to File, Export, Media. This time I'm going to select Windows, Media, and then click Export. Okay, this is my new video here. Okay, that's done. So if we double click here now, this, because the Windows codec, as you can see, we can actually will run, where the AVI file format it wouldn't run. Let's open the VLC on the other side. Let's compare the quality. Let's reduce the size to be similar. Let's reduce the size a little bit. I'll let you decide which quality is better. Let's press it. I think that Windows, the WAV file format is quite good. Colors are quite good. But at the same time, the AVI file format is, compression is, I don't know. For me, they both look quite good. I think I prefer the AVI based on the Tiger, but I prefer the background picture, the JPEG quality is much better on Windows. Don't know what you think. Anyway, have a play around, explore different file formats, different compression file formats, and you will be able to actually find the right format for you. I hope you've learned something new today. Thank you for watching.